Hi guys, I'm back. Who's excited that I'm back? Don't all speak at once, guys. Today we're gonna be attempting traditional goth makeup. I've actually wanted to do this type of makeup for a while now. I did a little something similar to this about a little more than 2 years ago. I'm not gonna actually put a link up. I usually put a link up when I mention in the video, but I'm not gonna do that today. If you guys want to go watch that, y'all are gonna have to scroll down my channel and find it. But it was alternative because on TikTok, like, that was popular to be a little tiny bit alternative. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try out that makeup style. I won't say that I did terrible, but I won't say that I did too good. I'm kind of scared for like what the outcome is going to be because do I have all of the materials that I need? No, but we're gonna attempt it, okay? So I've actually told TikTok to come over here, so hi TikTok. So while you're here, you guys should subscribe because I do videos about makeup, and over here they're usually a bit more detailed than how they are over on TikTok. So y'all should subscribe or leave a comment or leave a like because that really helps me and gives me motivation. Now it's time for me to do brows. They're usually kind of higher, they're dark. We're gonna do a little archy thing right there. So good at explaining everything, y'all. So I am gonna be filming another like really long video on TikTok, and the reason why is because it did pretty well the last time that I did it on my TikTok. It did better than most of my other videos, so we're gonna do that again on TikTok. We're gonna do our brows first, okay? So I already moisturized my skin and put on primer before really realizing what I have to do for this makeup look. Taking a little bit of my micellar water on a cotton pad, and I'm wiping away some of that like oil and moisture because I want my glue to stick. Just like most of my other brow tutorials, we're gonna start off with this Got To Be glue and take a tiny bit of that on this booty. Then we're gonna go through our brows and I'm gonna push them up just like always. After I push my brows up, I'm going to comb them down a little bit, and after I comb them down, we're going to get some black and brown eyeshadow and we're gonna fill in our brows with a little bit of color. And then after that, we're going to start carving it out with concealer. Today I'm gonna be using my bright concealer because we have a certain agenda that we're gonna have to achieve today, and I'll see you guys right after that. Okay guys, so I finished up with the brows, and I mean, they're brows, but as y'all can see, it's definitely whiter than usual. For this makeup, I think that I'm only gonna be painting my face white. I don't think I'm gonna be doing much of my neck or anything because this is all the white I have, okay? And I need this white for other things. Y'all, one of the brows, oh my god. Goodness gracious, you guys. So first I'm gonna use this Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna put a bunch of just white all over my face. Just so that all this can look really cohesive, I'm going to use a tiny bit of this natural beige concealer just like around my eyes. Now I'm going to take my sponge and we're going to blend and hope for the best. Lord, 𝐬𝐫𝐞𝐝. Okay guys, so this looks really scary, and I've done about half of my face, and I'm really scared this is gonna like be creasing and stuff like that, so I'm going to blend the rest off camera and I'll come back once I'm finished. Same thing with y'all. I'm gonna have to let y'all go for a little bit until I finish blending everything out. This is like actually genuinely scary, y'all. And now that we're finished with blending for the most part, like it's pretty patchy, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just a white concealer. So now I'm gonna be taking my trusty Juvia's Place palette once again. I'm gonna be taking that white shade in there, and I'm gonna set my whole entire face with this color, okay? I'm just taking it and I'm just patting my whole face with this stuff. More white can powder, and I'm gonna powder like under my eyes just so I can set them. I'm definitely going to have to wash all my sponges after this, y'all. Okay, I still don't feel like my face has enough powder on it, so I am gonna have to use this translucent powder from CoverGirl. Oh, look at this up close. I mean, honestly, it's not that bad, but it's also not like the best thing ever. I'm gonna fill these brows in a little bit in the front, and then we're going to kind of draw a line down and contour our nose. Like this. See, I'm just filling them in. And then I'm gonna take that and go down with this. Kind of creating a triangular shape like that, and I'm gonna do it to the other side, and I'll be right back. Now I'm taking the same black shade, and we're gonna go down our nose, like just contouring down on my nose. Now this is a little crazy, but it is gonna take a bit of blending to actually get it to how I want it to look, so I'm gonna blend this a bit and I'll be right back once it's done. I've been talking to TikTok but not to y'all. I'm just contouring and trying to blend this stuff in because this is scary, y'all. I'm gonna take this first and I'm gonna start blending. Have I made a mistake? What am I doing, you guys? I think I made a mistake. I don't know. Okay, let's just keep blending and let's just hope for the best, y'all. This is actually so extremely scary. Like, not the makeup, the process of doing this all, and not knowing if, you know, what you're doing is the right choice, and not knowing if you're essentially messing up the whole entire makeup look. This is genuinely like such a scary thing to do, you guys. It looks a little silly, you guys, but I think it'll come together once I actually finish up with the whole entire makeup look. So, okay guys, so I decided I'm gonna contour my nose and powder on the side of my nose, but literally with white. Like, I'm doing this with a white eyeshadow. If anybody makes fun of my nose contour, then you're anti-me, okay? Because this is hard, and this is my first time ever doing anything of this sort, okay? Actually, I don't think it's that bad. If we try and think of it in an artistic sense, I think that this is an artistic traditional goth makeup. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take a black shade, and we're gonna come in here and kind of blend this black color out, and then create this like little crease. I really love the way this looks. Okay, now I'm gonna take a white shade, and then I'm gonna create like a little crease, but just with powder. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Okay guys, so I haven't talked to y'all in a while. I'm just putting some white up on this little crease so that we can create like a little division between this black and this white. Looks pretty good so far. Now I'm gonna use this little bag, and I'm gonna create a little bit of contour on my cheek. Now I'm gonna spread that out and, you know, do it a little bit more, but off camera. Okay, hi guys, so now we're gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna try and connect this, and we're gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be back. Yeah, so I've done a bunch off camera. I did some extra liner, I've done some under eye contour, I did the other eyeliner. I think that it's coming together. Sorry for not talking to y'all as much, but now we're gonna do some highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Lottie London highlighter, and we're gonna place that on like these points, maybe a tiny bit up here, and maybe just the tiniest bit over here, not too much. Have you guys ever seen a glittery goth before? No, you guys have. So now I'm ready to start with the lashes. So I actually put some little tiny lashes down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that, y'all. This makeup is so cute, guys. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be using the Balm Extensions lashes in the style Sasha. I haven't really worn any of my 25mm lashes in a very long time, but I have the perfect opportunity to wear them. This is the style Sasha, okay? I did customize these. I cut off a bit in the front and left the back long, just kind of give a cat eye effect. I did this a while ago, but I think it fits perfectly with this makeup look, so we are going to be putting these on. I'll be right back once these are on my eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished putting on my lashes, and now it's time for me to do the lippy. Okay, so now we're going to be taking this RK black lip liner, and I'm going to be lining my lips, and we're going to make sure to kind of have a lot of definition on my cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm going to be using this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches, and I'm going to fill in my lips. Okay guys, so I don't have piercings, but I really do want to have some for this look, so we're going to do these fake ones. Hopefully no one gets upset. Here's this one. It's really obviously fake, but we're just going to place it on our nose. I think we're just gonna leave it at this little piercing right here, a little fake piercing. Okay guys, so for the most part, my makeup is actually done. I think this is done. I need to do my hair, so I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm officially done with the makeup look. Doing the hair was definitely the worst part, y'all, because I redid it so many different times and I came out just with this. I just did some like there's like a bunch of knots. I'm kind of worn out, you guys, and I'm sorry that I didn't really talk to y'all to this camera because I was focused on my phone. But yeah, I think I did a really good job at this makeup. I definitely like the style and I think it looks really cute on me. This might just be my new style, okay? It was definitely an experience. I definitely had a lot of like ups and downs and stuff. I think in the end this came out extremely cute. So yeah, I wish that I could have done like a more crazy hairstyle, but I couldn't in the end because of these braids. But I think it still works really well, this makeup look. Anyways, with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because doing this style was definitely fun. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else I can say. If you guys maybe like want to suggest different makeup looks, different styles, or different things like that that y'all want me to try out, just comment them down below and I will see if I can do it. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm done with this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.